Hey guys, I just wanted to pop on this platform here with FLDWRK to show you just a little tutorial on how it works and what you can expect. So here's a URL that I'm going to send you in a little bit. This is just going to take you to their group homepage, their FLDWRK homepage for this platform. Looks like this. And if you land on this page by accident, you can go down to groups and you just click group. And this is our group here, San Salvador Launch Group. You'll just click on that. And that will take you into your profile page for in the platform. So you might be asked to log on, and I have everything kind of set so that I just click and it goes. But this is our launch group place that we're going to be communicating. And so this is where you guys RSVP. This is where we chatted together. This is where we had questions, things like that, where we will maybe post articles that we talk about or helpful hints, where we will cheer one another on, encourage one another with some accomplishments, and celebrate one another. And so just really quick, this is what it looks like. And here's a little chat button, which is probably the most quick and efficient way to get a hold of us or anybody in the group or anybody in the FLDWRK family. So you can chat with one another here. Also, you can change your notifications, or this is where you would get notifications, about people who have cheered you on, or they've commented on a post that you've posted, or they've tagged you in a post. You can change your settings here on your profile under your settings so that you can actually get notifications. So you just click notifications, and I get all of mine via email. There is an app so you can also get it via your mobile, I believe. So you can just check that out. Just kind of poke around in here so you can see just kind of how it works. And right here is where we all RSVP'd. So proud of you all for RSVPing for your group, for the group session. And then as you scroll down, you'll see, and these will always be here. Our group coaching session Word document will always be here. You just click on that for when you're in the group, and there's questions that Jonathan will walk you through on that. And it's really easy to access. And then this is the button that you click right here to schedule your one-on-one with either Jonathan or Jeff. I don't know why I did that. Sorry. It will come down here, this calendar, and it takes you to this page. And you can either choose your 1 hour session with Jeff or your 1 hour session with Jonathan, whoever you prefer. And then you just click on either one of them, and it will take you to a time for you to select the day. And it goes out pretty far. I usually do mine. I schedule it usually right after our group session, and then it's usually like 2 weeks out from that time, but do whatever fits you best. It's not a same time, same day type of thing, so you do have to schedule this every month. And so I typically do the same day at the same time all the time, but you can change that up, and then you would just click on the time, you would hit confirm, and it sends you an automated confirmation, and it just throws it into your calendar. So that makes it really, really easy. You could do that for either one of them. So we're really excited about launching on Tuesday, and we hope that you guys feel excited and are prepared and ready to go. It's going to be awesome, and we're so proud of you guys. So we're looking forward to being with you on Thursday.